Here we have a 1971 Chevy Super Sport. It's a Chevy Chevelle SS, a real SS, factory 454, turbo 400 transmission. It's an absolutely beautiful car, a frame-on restoration. The entire car was gone through, but all the body panels are original. Makes it even better. It drives amazing. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory air, blows cold too. Cold AC. If you're looking for one that's absolutely like new, this is the car. Correct color, code 75 red, tan bucket seats, center console, a true SS, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. This car's got a story, documentations from the family that had it since 1994. Then they brought it back. Again, a completely restored 71 Chevelle Super Sport 454 automatic transmission. Beautiful.